Clearing your search history on LinkedIn can help maintain your privacy and keep your account organized. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Log into LinkedIn. Open your web browser or LinkedIn app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access the search bar. Locate the search bar at the top of the LinkedIn homepage. Click on it to reveal your recent searches. Step 3. View recent searches. Once you click the search bar, a drop-down will appear showing your recent searches. This list displays all the terms you have searched for recently. Step 4. Clear individual searches. To remove a specific search, hover over the search term you want to delete. You will see an X icon appear next to it. Click on the X to remove that particular search from your history. Step 5. Clear all search history. If you want to clear all your search history, look for the option that says Clear All or similar wording in the drop-down menu. Click on it to remove all recent searches at once. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on LinkedIn. Regularly doing this can help you maintain your privacy on the platform.